So, ang first, Alpha World Cities, Full Service World Cities. 12 points for London, New York, Paris, Tokyo. 10 points for Chicago, Frankfurt, Hong Kong, Los Angeles, Milan, Singapore. And the second, Beta World Cities, Major World Cities. 9 points for San Francisco, Sydney, Toronto, Zurich. 8 points for Brazil, Madrid, Mexico City, San Paulo. 7 points for Moscow and Seoul. The third is Gamma World Cities, Major World Cities. 6 points for Amsterdam, Boston, Caracas, Dallas, Düsseldorf, Geneva, Boston. Well-rounded global cities. It is a social, economic, and environmental factors offering a high quality of life, sustainability, and opportunities for growth. So this is an example of the rank. First, very large contribution, London and New York City. Second, smaller contribution and with cultural bias, Los Angeles, Paris, San Francisco. Third, incident global cities, Amsterdam, Boston, Chicago, Madrid, Milan, Moscow, Toronto. Global cities, specialized global contributions. First, economic, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Tokyo. Second, political and social, Brazil, Geneva, Starbuck, and Washington. World cities, subnet agricultural cities. First, cultural, Berlin, Copenhagen, Melbourne, Munich, Oslo, Rome, Stockholm. Second, political, Bangkok, Beijing, Vienna. Third, social, Manila, Nairobi, Ottawa. World leading cities. First, primary economic and global contributions. Frankfurt, Miami, Munich, Osaka, Singapore, Sydney, Zurich. Second, primary non-economic global contribution. Abidjan, Addis Ababa, Atlanta, Basel, Barcelona, Cairo, Denver, Harare, Lyon, Manila, Mexico City, Mumbai, New Delhi, Shanghai.